Okay, so now we really need to talk about fitteds, because fitteds are amazing if you have nighttime leaks. This one is a one-size fitted. It's got a snap-down rise, so it'll fit babies about 8 to 35 pounds. And the thing you'll notice about a fitted is that the entire thing is absorbent. Sometimes it has an insert that you can snap in, sometimes you can add extra absorbency if you need, but you feel the inside, there's no waterproofing. The whole thing is absorbent. So it could be made out of bamboo, cotton hemp, anything like that. Combinations, one or the other. And the whole thing's absorbent so that you get more total absorbency, which will last you through a long nap or overnight. Now, because there's no waterproof layer, you have to add one like this. This is a cover. It's made out of polyurethane laminate, or what you might see as PUL. This is what's going to make your fitted diaper waterproof for nap time or nighttime. So this one is a Tot Spots peanut wrap, and it has a hook and loop or Velcro closure. You can get them in snap closures, or pro tip, you could even use wool over top of a fitted.